Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got Custom Knife Factory knife here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this. Yeah, we have a Sukhoi 3 or the Dominator, Anthony Malishev designed, Custom Knife Factory produced knife. And of course, as in the Custom Knife Factory tradition, they give you a set of pivot, an extra set of bearings and an extra clip, because yeah, that's what you're gonna probably be scratching first. Of course, you've got your certificate of authenticity and your Custom Knife Factory classic red cloth and a very cool pouch. This is the new and improved version of the old pouch that I have here. For example, that's the old one and this is the new one, so I prefer the new one. I like this guy over here, but this is not about the pouch. This is about the Sukhoi 3.0 Anthony Malishev design. This is a beautiful knife, guys. It's a big boy. The overall length of this guy is gonna be around 9.3 inches with a 5.3 inch long handle and a 4-ish inch long blade, because it's always tough to, you see, like the edge stops here but the blade stops there, so give it or take 4 inches blade, so not a small one. This is a Russian-made knife, and it's the price secondary market nowadays in 2021 can be around $450, something like that, in $500 maximum price. It's a titanium frame lock with some pretty nice marble carbon fiber scales, beautifully bronze anodized liners, I would say. I mean, this is a frame lock. Technically, it's not like really a liner lock, but these acts as liners and they're titanium, beautifully done. The blade is M390 Vapor Blast steel. Crazy good. Look at the shape of this blade, just gorgeous, guys, with a nice flat grind, a nice sharpening choil right over there. M390, it's a limited run. I think they made 300 of these guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's just beautiful, guys. This is a big boy. It has one distinctive feature. This is a zirconium backspacer sandwiched in 2 titanium blue anodized liners. Would you look at that? I didn't see any other knife with a solution like that for the backspacer. It's adding complication and it's certainly looking good, and it's great to see this kind of engineering going on. Nice internal skeletonization. The sound this guy makes, beautiful. It's gorgeous. Closing, opening, solid, not loud. It's distinctive. It's clacky. It's really, really cool. And also what is really cool, guys, is the weight, because this is a lightweight. Consider the size of this guy. It feels really, really light in the hand because of the massive skeletonization going on the inside, the titanium liners, the marble carbon fiber. This guy is a big boy, and it's 4.85 ounces. So that's really outstanding, and it's very nicely done. In the hand it feels great because of the weight, because of the fit and finish. Ergonomics are very good. There's just a tiny bit of hot spot, a little bit right over here in the tip of the pocket clip, but nothing too crazy. It's still really comfortable in the hand. Materials are top quality, top notch, really well put together. Fit and finish, fantastic. This guy is running on multi-row ceramic ball bearings that are loose, they're not caged, but look at that. This fires like crazy, and the action is smooth. Absolutely nothing to say wrong about the action on this bad boy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.